We are a manufacturer of self-adhesive labels and been at this location since 2006. Yeah, that's more or less who we are. In Denmark we have the major brand owners, which we supply the label for their products. Mostly FMCG products we supply labels for in Denmark. We also have some export to Sweden, to Germany and some other countries in Europe as well. So wherever there's an order, we try to get it. The machine we chose here is a new FA line from Nilpeter, which we have followed over the last years, and we think, all respect to Nilpeter, we think at the time now it's finished, it's like we want it, it's very lean, it's very simple. And then we think that the LED colors we have been looking in for some years, and we think they're close to being on a standard in the world. Colors are more aligned, quality of the lamp is more aligned, it's cheaper to change out the lamp if it goes forward. So we think that we're ready to go this way. And we did some thorough test runs on the FA-2600 and we felt it was right up our alley. We had a lot of customers who were printing products that could be run better and more efficiency on FA-26, and we also see a gap in between the big foil printers and the narrow web business. And the narrow web business is getting wider and wider. And along with that getting wider, we think there's a gap in the market for foil products in the mid-range area. And also on the commercial side, there's two different environments. The foil printers usually have very long lead times, where we're used to in the label business have very, very short lead times. So we could combine our label world into the foil world. Perhaps there's a market there for us. That was one of the reasons why we took this investment and this chance of investing in the Nilpeter 26 inches. It has been a good cooperation. It has been very fast, very on the money, talking to people who can decide, which is important for us, open for ideas. And Jesper and Jakob, it's a great team that they know how to sell a machine, know what we want, and of course, speaking in my native language, it's always a bit easier. So that has been a very easy and good process actually. We think that Nilpeter will be a partner for us in the future, also regarding normal flexion machine, because we believe that the machines are where it is now and it's good. It is a bit early, but we can see on the speed, it comes to what we have calculated with. But if we get that right and we can put our old Flexo spirit into our new machines, will definitely be a good investment. And the quantity this machine can run with our tempo we have with the other machines in 26 inches and 3 shifts is unbelievable. So yeah, we're ready.